Hello everyone, this is Hugo. For this video, I'm going to show you how to operate a Kodak Moviedeck, more specifically this one. But what Moviedecks saw, they play Super 8 films, and I have one over here. Here it is. This is the blob on Super 8. It's very condensed because, yeah, but here's how you operate it. So, first off, you need to own one of these. And then you just take, they open up like vinyl. If you can't tell, these things actually open up like vinyl players. So like the dust cover is removed and it's right over here and it's broken, but I keep putting it back on. So either way, so what you're gonna do is have a Super 8 film to play this on. Just open this. Here's the little wheel I have. It's part of it is broken off. Some of the film's broken off and. Give me a second. Fall off. There it goes. Goodness. Sorry. Anyway, what we're going to do now is just make sure you put the wheel on the right side. Hopefully we get to do that. There it is. So now what you're going to So just to make sure you actually have it on the right side, just do a little loop over here and like guide this thing to the little spinny thing. I don't know what it's called. I do apologize, but it's not easy doing this with one hand. Come on now. Oh my god, this is going to turn out to be the best video since NVIDIA versus normal computer running GeForce and stuff. Come on. There it goes. Let's see if it's on the right side. I think it's, yep, it's on the right side. Just look out for these little sprockets. I don't know if you can see those little sprockets over there, the little dotted cutout, so keep an eye on them because that will be very vital to how this is going to be playing. So now you have it like that, and you're going to be turning on the projector. I should point out, by the way, this thing. Oh crap! This thing over here. This is for focus. This little knob over here is for focusing, and this little thing over here, you can switch between the viewing formats of Super 8 or regular 8. It doesn't really matter how you play any of these, but anyway, let's do that again. This time, I'm going to actually play this. So, what you're going to do is just turn on the, well, let me get this back threaded, back to where it was before okay, so that's that. Now you're going to be turning on the projector. It should come up like this. I put it on still so it doesn't mess anything up, but now we're going to be playing this, so make sure everything's connected, make sure everything's threaded. By the way, put this on forward, that's probably very important as well. Alright, and then you're just going to put this thing in here and the picture should come on. If I could get in here, Jesus. Is this on the wrong side? Oh my god, I think it's about to be on the wrong side. Oh wait, nope, we're good. We're playing. It depends, like, if you have this projector at a distance, it will, like, have a bigger picture. If you play it too close, it's going to have a smaller picture. I'm going to turn the lights off so you can see this film better. And by the way, it really depends how you position the projector, but sometimes it'll have this little weird thing going on down there, but it doesn't really matter. Let's look very close at the wheel itself. If you can't tell, those are moving pictures. Give me a second, let me get my phone and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Yep, I'm very professional video editor, guys. There it is. Alright. Flashlight. There it is. So you can see me through here. I actually do not think that's doing anything justice. Give me a second, let me turn this light back off. And maybe we can actually see it better below wheels. Maybe you can kind of see him. Maybe you can, I don't know, but anyway, well, enough of that. We're going to be rewinding this thing now. What we're going to do, as soon as I get everything turned off here, is we're going to be turn this to still, and then rewind. And it should rewind. It may do this if you have a very small wheel, but oh well. It's going to take a bit, so sometimes it didn't come backwards. This projector, by the way, runs at 18 frames per second, so it's not going to be the smoothest viewing experience or anything, but you can see the film playing backwards. Almost done. Yep. And now it's gonna probably eject the stuff, but if it doesn't, then just stop it like that. And then you can turn this one more time, and then quickly press this little button, like as is. Yeah, so the film doesn't spiral out of control, and then you can rewind or do this to your film. Boy. And then you can put the film back in where it came from. For example, this little box. I just thought you could be interested in seeing a little defect. That's a little burn because, yeah, that kind of sucks. But, you know, stuff you learn, I guess. I don't want to screw up this film any more than it is right now. Christ. As good as it gets until I actually stop this video, but, you know, stuff. Let's get this video to 10 minutes. I thought you'd be also interested and seeing what the end of this film is like. If you can't see it, it doesn't matter really. I mean, I'm just only doing this just to pad out this video and get it to 10 minutes, which is all I have, so... Anyway, that's pretty much it for this little tutorial video. It's been ages since I've done one of these. I don't know when it was the actual last time I've done a tutorial, but that said, thank you all for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.